안녕하세요. 오빠입니다. Hello everyone, this is 오빠. In this video, I will talk about part of the face. To begin with, this part, hair. Hair is 머리, 머리, 머리. This part, forehead. Forehead is 이마, 이마, 이마. And this part, eyebrow. Eyebrow is 눈썹, 눈썹, 눈썹. For your information, eyelash is 속눈썹, 속눈썹, 속눈썹. This part, eye is 눈, 눈, 눈. For your information, double eyelid is 쌍꺼풀, 쌍꺼풀, 쌍꺼풀. This part, nose is 코, 코, 코. This part, ear is 귀, 귀, 귀. This part, mouth is 입, 입, 입. For your information, lip is 입술, 입술, 입술. This part, cheek is 볼, 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 or 뺨, 뺨, 뺨. This part, chin is 턱, 턱, 턱. Today we have covered part of the face in Korean. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that this video was helpful for your Korean learning. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again with a new video lesson. Thank you. 감사합니다.